Well, two key battleground states showing their true colors.
Yep, and brand new Fox News polls have Hillary Clinton ahead of Donald Trump by 7 points in Virginia and with a double-digit lead in Colorado.
But there may be more to the picture. Our Anna Kooiman is back with a closer look for us. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning again, Heather. Good morning to everyone at home. Well, the real battleground may largely be with independent voters, where a lot of uncertainty still exists. Among independents in Virginia, brand new Fox News polls show Donald Trump leading Hillary Clinton by double digits, 34 to 23 points. However, 11% of those are still undecided, and 16% say they will vote for another candidate or not at all. Now, those same voters also believe Donald Trump is better to handle than Clinton on most hot-button issues. He topped her by at least 2 points in every single category when asked who could better fix the economy, about illegal immigration, about government spending, and also about terrorism. Overall, when it comes to taking the country in a new direction, Donald Trump has a massive 13-point lead over Hillary Clinton in Virginia. In another swing state, Colorado, Trump's appeal is down. 55% say Clinton has a better temperament to Trump's 22%, and exactly half also say she's more qualified. 43% believe she's a strong leader, and 40% say she cares about them as individuals. Well, despite Donald Trump's poor numbers, when those voters were asked who the most honest and trustworthy candidate is, he beat out Hillary Clinton by 1 point, 28 to 27. Now back into Virginia. The #1 concern there in this election remains the U.S. economy, and Donald Trump is hoping he can use his record as a businessman to court independent voters there. Abby?
Yeah, it's all going to come down to these important states. Anna, thanks so much.
Thanks, Anna.